This dumbass crashed my jet ski, and now we're gonna fix it only with the power of Flex Tape Clear. Why spend thousands of dollars on pricey repairs when Flex Tape Clear will be the professional repair results that you need? Professional.
Okay.
So here, guys, for a little bit of background here, Cade here was following me really close 10 minutes into owning this jet ski, and he just fucked up the flex tape. 10 minutes into owning this jet ski, and T-boned me going 30. I don't know how I'm alive, but I am. So before Cade buys me a new jet ski, we're doing this. I think we want bigger pieces than that, bud.
Covers up the whole thing. So just...
looking, oh, homie.
I mean, don't worry about it. Here.
All right, after a brief flex tape commercial, we'll be right back. Phil Swift, we are putting all of our faith and my life in your hands. You had faith in your boats, so we're gonna have some faith in you. If this doesn't work out, I want a free jet ski and some free flex tape. Cade, what are your thoughts?
You know, you could probably sue him and win that one.
Yeah, I mean, it says it is for boat repair specifically.
I mean, I don't know about that one.
I mean, I think the application isn't the best, but
fuck it.
Yeah.
All right.
We'll see how it goes.
We're rolling.
I think we're rolling.
We're rolling.
All right. Colin, we're doing this thing. So this is our flex steel repair. You want to zoom in on the damage there, baby. I figured if we don't want to sink, putting the plugs in might help. All right. Stop. Push me off. Push me off. You want to unhook me? You got to unhook me, kid.
Go. You're good.
Kid, you need to push me out.
I know. Get started. Go. Pushing against the motor right now, buddy.
It's holding. Flex tape! All right, let's see how it's holding up. Wow. Okay, flex tape is still there.
How much water are we filled with?
We're looking. Not a drop?
Bone dry.
Bone dry.
You want to go rip a little more?
Flex tape for the win. All right.
Let's go beat on it a little.
Yeah, it doesn't want to go full throttle, but we'll try it again. Yeah. Literally 1 foot. got the trim up. Hook me. Hi baby, do you want to try riding back with me on the other one?
Where you going?
We'll go slow.
You promise?
Yep. So, Cade is currently using the powers of ADHD to sit on top of my truck, but let's take a look at the JetSki here. Again, fixed only with the power of Flex Tape Clear. And honestly, this was a really bad Flex Tape job.
It's not bad because it held.
And there is not a drop of water in this thing. Let's pull a plug right now and just see if there's anything, but from what I can tell, nothing. Wow, not a drop. This leaks less than my like perfect mint functioning JetSki just because of Flex Seal. Honestly, very impressed. Wow. The JetSki is a little bit boggy, but that's probably because it got completely flooded. But
not a drop.
Yeah. So, what did we learn today, Cade? You can actually fix a JetSki with the power of Flex Seal.
Yeah.
And even though it's fixed, I'm still making Cade buy me a new one, and that's where we're going right now. So, yeah, if anyone wants to buy a JetSki, let me know.